Ready for dictation, start. This is defendant's revision file under section 115 of the Civil Procedure Code 1908 bracketed for brevity the court challenging orders of both the courts below, granting ad interim injunction in favor of the plaintiff respondent. Both the courts below have reached the conclusion that in the absence of any evidence showing the exclusive possession, it has to be held that a co-sharer cannot raise, construction or change the nature of the land without the consent of the other co-sharer. The defendant petitioner has therefore been restrained from selling the land more than his share or from raising any construction over any part of the suit land or from changing the nature of the suit land till the decision of the main suit. Brief facts of the case necessary for deciding the controversy raised in this petition are that the plaintiff respondent filed a suit for permanent injunction restraining the defendant petitioner from selling more than his share, from raising any construction over any part of the suit land and further from changing the nature of the suit land. Along with the plaint, an application under Order 39 Rule 1 and 2 for interim injunction was also filed, which has been allowed on the basis of the version of the parties that the plaintiff respondent is a co-sharer and owner of the joint holding which has not been partitioned. In support of the aforementioned assertion, a copy of the Jambandi for the year 1995-96 has been produced, showing 22 shares of the defendant petitioner and 14 shares of the plaintiff respondent. So it further shows the joint possession of the parties. In other part of the land, the parties have been recorded to be the co-owners in joint possession. There is nothing on the record to show either exclusive possession of the suit land or indicating that any partition of the joint land has ever been effected by way of family partition. The learned additional district judge has placed reliance on two judgments of this court and affirmed the order of the civil judge by observing as under para. The learned counsel for the respondent plaintiff relied upon the authorities 2000-3 RCR civil 738 Punjab and Haryana 2000-3 CCC 379 Ram Nivas vs Jai Ram @Tej and 2000-3 RCR civil 439 Punjab and Haryana 2000-1 CCC 394 Akshay Kumar vs Rakesh Kumar.